Hey guys, so this is me Hajra.vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am doing a hijab tutorial. Now guys, I have two different styles that I carry. One is this one and there's this another one which is my very casual style. This is when I'm going to some kind of special event, or you know, when I have my makeup on and I want to get a little off from casual, I would say. So this is what I do. I'm gonna teach the other one as well very soon. And also with this one, I like to do like two kinds of looks. One is this one where I wear like a black hijab, a black niqab and a colored cap. This is one style. The other style that I like to do is that I wear a black cap, a black niqab, obviously my niqab is always black, and a colored hijab, like this scarf. So this is what I like to do. If you can hear my parrot, I'm so sorry. He's always shouting when I'm down here. I was saying that I go for like something color, like some pop of color in my hijab as well, like in my abaya, hijab, whatever. So I do like to have like some color in it. You can see this thing also has this navy blue color. I like to wear colors and make my hijab and my abaya very stylish because why not? Okay, plus I just giving these little tips that I like to do to any girl out there. If you're a niqabi or a hijabi, so it's gonna help you if you're interested. So what I like to do is, this is what I like to do with my abaya, kind of play around with color. Also, I like to carry colored bags and colored heels. I shop a lot on bags and heels as well, because that is something I like to carry with my hijab and my niqab, you know, when I'm wearing abaya. Now this is the cap. I'm gonna show you the cap here. So I like to wear lace caps as well and normal as well, but I like lace caps better with my style. I have a lot of different caps, rope caps. This is like a band cap. This is my favorite. The one I'm wearing is a rope cap. It's very similar to this. You can see the look is very similar, but it's just that you need to tie the rope at the back. I don't have a blue this kind of cap, so I need to grab one. So this is my favorite thing. It's very comfortable because sometimes, you know, tying up mess up your hair at the back, which is very annoying. Whatsoever you need to do is just, you know, take it in and kind of adjust. It's very simple. Everyone can do it. Now for the niqab, what I like to do is, if you guys are not niqabis, no issues. You can just, you know, do the hijab thing and use just the cap. With this, you know, kind of adjust it with your own choice. It's just that I wear niqab, so I need to adjust things according to niqab. So this is actually my niqab. It has a rubber plastic at the back. It's just, I don't know, how should I tell you, this is how you wear it. Now this one is a little loose. I like to because, you know, as much as you use them, they get looser. I like to I like to take tighter ones because, you know, now tighter ones may be a little uncomfortable for most of you guys. Plus what happens if you're wearing a foundation or BB cream, it just makes like this kind of line on your nose. So I need to always have my beauty blender in my bag. So once I have just wore the cap, I've not done anything. I've just adjusted according to my choice. Jitna aapko niche lekar aani hai, it's your own choice. And also for the niqab, what I like to do is I like to put the band right below my ear, like right below, like kind of adjust it in these at the bottom of the ear. Plus sorry guys, I'm a little lost. Plus I like to just keep this thing a little up and kind of create this gradient line to, and also make sure that the tip of your niqab is strong. Like even if you're pressing your niqab, make sure that you don't diffuse this line in the center. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little line in the center that comes right in the middle of your nose, so make sure you don't diffuse that while pressing. So, you know, while ironing. And I like to just keep this a little up and then create like this kind of line here. And I like to take the line right in the center of the nose and adjust it right in the center, because I don't want it, you know, I want it to be perfect. Plus if you just keep your niqab in this way, like I said, it's gonna give you more illusion to your niqab, more, I guess, style as well. Plus it just makes your nose look very, you know, long and thin. So yeah, it just is more attractive. Okay, so that is how I adjust the niqab. Now this is what I like to do is I like to keep a little piece of my scarf on here to just cover up my body, and then I like to just find a little thing like tip here, and then I like to just take this much of it and turn it. I don't know what, you know, it should be like turned. Sorry. Okay, I hope you guys can understand. Make sure the tip is there. Then I like to just quickly take a scarf pin. You can take straight pins as you like and kind of put one here. Be careful, it's your own choice if you want to use smaller one or taller ones. I use both of them. Then what I like to do is, okay, now it's really difficult. I just need to grab my mirror because it's a little tough for me. Oh God, I've never done this. It's my first time. I might suck, so please, sorry. Okay. When I'm wearing like a colored cap, I like to pull it a little down so that it shows like the color pops. If I'm wearing like a black cap, I don't pull it really down. So I'll just pull it a little more down. So yeah, and then I'll adjust my pin here so the cap doesn't move. Okay, then I like to take these and kind of fold it here and create this thing and just hold it for a minute and put the smaller ones, the smaller pins here. Now I don't have them and I don't have time to even find them, seriously. Let's just put what we have. Okay, so just to create a little bit of this. Okay, now why do I create this thing? You can leave it if you can just leave it loose. I like to create this illusion to give my face a little thinner look. Sorry. This is what we do all the freaking time. Okay, so this is a little adjustment here. And if you want, you can stick it on the niqab here. I have not stuck it on the niqab. If you want, wait, I'll show you what I'm saying. If you want, you can just put it like here. But most of the time I don't do this because, you know, if you want to eat food somewhere, then it's like a little difficult because you can't open it from here, you know. It just becomes very messy. And if you stick your pin a little up here, then you can easily, you know, open this area and eat. So since I have to remove my niqab over there, you know, I have to remove my abaya, so I'm just gonna pin it on my niqab because it just looks more better. Be careful that you don't poke your skin. I do it a lot, but just be careful. If you want, you can just, so I don't know what I've done. It's just very difficult to do in front of the camera and, you know, explain side by side. And it's my first such time, so I'm a little nervous. Okay, I'll adjust another pin here. Okay, I use a lot of pins because I feel I don't want it to move like a tiny bit as well. Now you guys, sorry. Now I'll show you this much part of my hijab is right here on my right hand side, and rest of my scarf, oh boom, is on the left hand side. Now I like to loosen, keep it a little loose from here, you know. I don't know how to show. Wait, I'll just show you. So I like to keep my scarf a little loose from here like this, and then kind of take this up here. Now according to the length of the scarf and your comfort, you can do this. Now you can play around at this point, like I do sometimes play around at this point, but this is like my most go-to look, I would say. Okay, now if you want, you can keep this till here. If you want, you can just keep this a little more down, and adjust the pins. And I like to keep, oh god, this is so freaking difficult. Boom, sorry, just a minute. Do you see this niqab thing? It just creates this kind of thing which I really like. Okay, now it also depends on the design and style of your scarf. Like if you have some kind of brand signature thing here, then I like to keep it till here so that everyone can see that, you know, so that it has a look. Otherwise, if it's like a normal lace thing, so I'll just keep it very casually here, so it's just coming till here. Oh my god, you guys, I know I suck at this. I'm so sorry. We'll learn, right? And I like to keep this here. If you want, you can keep it thoda art picture to create the petals kind of thing from a scarf, which you might see people doing. So that is how you can create that. So yeah, for me, everything depends on the mood and the style of and the design of the scarf. So yeah, I am gonna keep it a little at the back and pin it from here. I'm gonna remove this green pin because it's very weird, and then I'm gonna just take and adjust the two petals together with this pin. I mean, secure the two petals together with this one pin. Okay, I'm sorry. I have a really bad cold. So yeah. Now once that is done, if you want, you can adjust it even, you know, you can keep it this way. If you want, you can put more pins here. And if you want, you can keep it loose. Now let me decide. Okay, I would like to keep it loose. If you want, or I just adjust it from one side and keep losing from the other, so that you guys can learn how you can do that as well. Again, you can adjust it here if you want to create like these petals, and if you want, you can just adjust it on top. So yeah, I'm gonna create petals so that, you know, it's, so this is how, I don't know if you guys can see even. So this is how it's done, and I'll keep this area loose. If you want, you can also pin it from here, and that is also one style that I do usually. It's gonna give you more thinner illusion, and if you just keep it like this. So let's look thinner. Let's just look thinner. So I'm just gonna, so yeah, that is the final look. And then I like to just take and make this pointy thing and adjust everything if you want. I am sick, I know I'm sick. I like to put a lot of pins. I don't use safety pins a lot. It's just if I have to create any specific style or something. I'm gonna put two pins at the back so that it doesn't move, because I don't want it to move, I would say, because right now I'm not worried because I have to remove it anyways. But if I'm going to like an event, I don't want to be like very uncomfortable, always playing out and, you know, kind of adjusting throughout the event, just adjusting my scarf. I don't like to do that. I want to keep it very stiff, and I feel comfortable in that. Maybe so many of you won't, but I feel comfortable in that because it's like full on, you know, it's cool. I feel like I just feel comfortable. I don't have to worry about anything of how I'm looking. It's just right good. It's all good. Now it's like open abaya, so ye baar baar gir raha hai. Now we are gonna complete our eyes really quick. And yeah, so it's like a hijab tutorial with get ready with me. And that is it with the video. I hope you found this little get ready with me and also this hijab tutorial helpful. You enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any more requests, let me know that also in the comments, so that I can make more videos according to your choice or on your request. That is it. This is my go-to look. I really love it. Let me know how you found it in the comments down below. Share it with your friends and family who you think will like it. Also give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell button so that you'll be the part of my glam fam and get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're new on my channel, hey, hi, I'm hajra.vadhariya. Welcome to this niqabi channel. Please subscribe. Also hit the thumbs up button. That's it. This is our final look. So I'll just sign off. Love you guys. So guys, love you all. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.